So this particular website I am about to show you will pay you to write stories for them. Now you will get paid from $150 to $250 gradually, then to $325, then to $400. In fact, on this website it is unlimited. What you can earn on this website is unlimited, depending on how well and how far you can write. Well, some of you will say that Kemi, I cannot write, so I don't even know how to write. Calm down, Cherugodu, calm down. I'm going to show you in this video how you can get writers that will actually write these stories for you and you get paid in dollars. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please do what, subscribe, like and share this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, we'll love you. So on this channel, all we do is we share informative videos on how we can make money and improve our lifestyle using a mobile phone. So without wasting much of our time, let's head right into this video. So now this video will come in steps, you understand. The first step, like I said, will be to share you a website that will actually pay you to write for them. Now, because I know that I have a lot of writers on this ground or more to write, and people are cashing out on writing. Now, there is even a particular writing method that a lot of people do not share and a lot of people do not hear about it, but it is paying, and that is ghostwriting. Ghostwriting is just you writing stories. Now, when you write those stories, you have to sell it out. You do not own any right, especially if you're creative and you can write very well. You do not own any right to those stories once you sell it off. And like I said, I'll be sharing with you another website as well where you can get your writers even if you do not know how to write. But that is if you stay with me to the end of this video. So do not skip any part, because all I'll be sharing with you in this video will be informative and there will be parts that you need everything. So let's head straight to a website called Mobile Reader. So this is my phone. I've minimized my phone. Like you all know, I love sharing the screen of my phone because most of us use mobile phones. So I love teaching how to make money online using your mobile phone. A lot of us do not have access to a laptop, so your mobile phone is your best shot. So all you need to do is to download a Chrome browser. Please, if you do not have a Chrome browser, download a Chrome browser. Now open your Chrome browser, type in Mobile Reader and you allow it to load. Now what they do on this Mobile Reader is actually to share interesting stories. Now these stories, how you actually get paid is when directors or big company owners buy those books from you and they sell out fast on Mobile Reader. You understand? So there's no Ike Panky or what of that. Those novellas you watch, those telenovelas, they're actually stories written by people. Now before we even go deep into the website thing, let's just check what writers' benefits are so that you actually know that there is a plus to this particular website I am sharing with you, and the website is legit. Benefits for exclusive works. Now here is your book reaches at least 50,000 words. The accumulated number of views on Mobile Reader during 3 months must exceed 3,000 and you'll be earning $50. Now if your book reaches another 50,000 words, you'll be earning $100. For those of you that will say that you don't know how to count words, if you cannot do it, there is another app that can do it. I'll minimize my phone right here now just to show you the app, and I'll be coming back to the main video. The app is called WPS Office. WPS Office is the app you use to count words. It counts all your words. Before you know it, you'll be writing maybe like 10,000 words, 20,000 words. Just keep typing. But if you cannot type, the last website I'll be sharing with you will actually get you a writer that has fun in doing all these things. There are some writers that they derive fun in writing, so it doesn't take them long before they can write. Now these are the particular amount of money you'll be making while writing on this particular website. So there's a lot of things, and you can also get into competition on this particular website. Now these are incentive, advance payment. Now on this website, it is not they have to read your work until you get before you can get payments. They will pay you advance payments. So even if you are looking to get another writer somewhere, you have money to pay that writer. You understand? So let's just head back. So once you head back, you first click on this Mobile Reader. Once you click on Mobile Reader, you click on this particular icon here. Once you click on it here, you click on, if you're new to the website, you click on create account. So once you click on create account, you have to input your email and your password, and then you click on create account. So once you click on create account, they'll have to send you an email. So you need to check on that email for them to verify you. Now this is my email, and this is the mail they sent to me. So I'll click the link in the email and we'll get straight into it. Now once you click that link, you allow it to load, because it has to load. You allow it to load so that it will verify you. So now after loading, this is what you have: registration succeeded, verification succeeded, login now. So you click on this login now to log into your account, since you created your account with your Gmail and your password. Now you come back here, it said log into mobile reader. You come back here and you log into the account. So after you've logged in, you have to log out back and come back. Well, the main reason why you have to actually log in first is to see how the platform looks like. But then again, you have to log out again. Let me show you. Once you are in like this, this is how mobile reader looks like. You understand? These are stories that you can see. But before you can start uploading your stories and making money, you have to come back again. Now click on this for authors. So once you click on for authors, it will now bring you to the platform that is actually for story writers. Now these are the things that you'll be getting on this platform. You can protect your copyright on this platform, and you can give it out for free. Then again, you'll be getting global readers on this platform and display in real time, and you'll be getting paid. Did I forget to actually share that? Now your payment method is actually by applying for contracts. Now the first thing you have to do is to sign up, upload your stories, and apply for contracts. Now the contract aspect is the payment aspect. You understand? So whether you're always writing on Insta blog, or you're always writing somewhere on an article or a blog post, please come here. Come here and hammer. Come here and make it big. You understand? You know what it means for you to win a contract in dollars? And their contracts are usually ranging from $1,000 up to like $5,000. Now, if you doubt me, just go on TikTok and type in ghostwriters. That is if you doubt me. Now, the first thing you have to do here is, once you're done here like this, once you have it like this is the website you use to upload your stories. You have to come back. You have to go back like this. Come back to mobile reader itself. Take a look at the stories with the highest views. Now this thing that is open, that is like an eye here, that has 46 million is views. You understand? So you click on the story. Once you click on it, you take a look at the chapter. This one has 449 chapters. You take a look at the storyline. This is the storyline. Rena got an entanglement with a big shot when she was blah blah. Now then you come back here and look at the chapter. Now you have an info of the idea of what you want to do. Now the point is to copy bigger writers in a small way. That's how you can make it on this particular platform, because they have a lot of writers. So you have to copy the bigger writers in a small way. This guy now has 449 chapters. You can actually make your own like 250 chapters, and you give a catchy title. Please take note of the title, take note of the niche or the subcategory. You understand? Now there are three these things to a fictional writing. We have the drama, the poetry, and the prose. Now this is prose. This is both prose and drama. This particular one we are saying here is actually drama, and under the drama we have romance, we have a lot of things. You understand? So this is under romance. The most trending story type on this platform is romance. So these are the things that you have to take note of. You can even decide to download the book here just to see what type of book that we have here. Now take note of the thumbnail as well. If you're putting up a romance story, you have to put up a thumbnail that is related to the ones you have here. Most of these thumbnails are explicit, like very sexual thumbnails. You understand? So you need to be very careful. Now, the next thing you have here that you want to do is to minimize. Once you minimize, you open a new tab. Now, this particular area is where you'll be getting your writer. Now, type in writer's gig. A lot of you actually know writer's gig on this platform because I've really talked about it. Type in writer's gig. So now this is the main website of writer's gig. The next thing you have to do here is to come here and type in ghostwriter. So you allow it to load. Let's see if there are people on ghostwriter. So now there are people on ghostwriting. In fact, they are very, very cheap. As you can see, make me your professional ghostwriter for just 2,500 naira. Now, these people do not know that you can actually get paid up to $500 or even $1,000 on mobile reader, because if they know, they won't be charging 2,500 naira here. You understand? This particular guy also is 2,500 naira. This one is 2,000. This one is 2,000. This one is 500 naira. Ghostwriting. Actually, a lot of things are going on in Nigeria that people are just like, okay, let me just get a job. So that's why it is kind of cheap. And on Writer's Gig, you get cheap people that are willing to work with you. Now, all you have to do is look for how you can chat up any of these particular writers, but you have to sign up on Writer's Gig first. You understand? You sign up on Writer's Gig first, then you browse through this thing and choose any writer that suits you. Discuss with that writer, and once you discuss with that writer, you need to come back to mobile reader here. Once you're on mobile reader here, check the one that you want to mimic or copy. You understand? Take a screenshot, edit it, remove this mobile reader, because if the writer says mobile reader, anyway, I'm just saying, remove this mobile reader and screenshot like the chapter 1 or the chapter 2 or whatsoever, and tell the writer that this is the kind of story that you want. You understand? This is the kind of story that you want. Now, you can use Canva to do your thumbnail or whatsoever. I don't want this video to be too lengthy, so I'll be stopping here for now. So once you're able to use Canva to do your editing and all of that, that will be all. So guys, without wasting much of our time, I will see you guys in another video. Let me know if you tried out this method, or if you're going to try out this method and start making money online on this platform.